seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
L40
0.
stages are ignited.
Plus 5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
Magnificent
seconds.
liftoff of GSLV
tracking.
F-15 NVS-02 mission. 100th
Petrol
launch
tracking.
mission of ISRO embarks on its journey.
Plus 20 seconds.
विहंगम दृश्य सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन GSLV F-15 रॉकेट का चारों L-40s तथा कोर बूस्टर S-139 वर्तमान में प्रज्वलित हैं और यान को उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर लेके जा रहे हैं.
An eastward mission launched at 106 degrees azimuth.
Plus 40 seconds.
GSLV core S-139 and the 4 L-40 strap-ons thrusting simultaneously. Cumulative thrust is 7,535 kilonewtons.
प्रथम चरण में कोर बूस्टर है
Plus 1 minute.
जो कि
Sharvan
ठोस
main
नोदक पर
auto.
आधारित है. कोर
Sharp to
बूस्टर
main auto.
का प्रज्वलन काल लगभग 111 सेकंड का है. इसके पश्चात भी L-40 जो स्ट्रपॉन बूस्टर्स हैं उनका प्रज्वलन लगभग 50 सेकंड और आगे चलेगा. इस तरह लगभग 150 सेकंड्स पर प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन काल समाप्त होगा.
Action time for the core solid motor is 112 seconds and that of the strap-ons is 149 seconds. HTPB based propellant in S-139 and L-40s are powered by turbo pump fed Vikas engine based on earth storable propellant. Shar ground station acquiring the trajectory data.
S-139 stage ban out.
कोर बूस्टर का प्रज्वलन काल समाप्त हो चुका है.
Plus 2 minutes.
स्टेपॉन बूस्टर अभी भी प्रज्वलित है. इस दौरान यह लगभग 3000 किलो
First
न्यूटन का
stage
प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहे
performance
हैं.
normal.
कुछ ही क्षणों में L-40 स्टेपॉन बूस्टर्स बंद हो जाएंगे और GS2 द्वितीय चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू होगा.
L40 stages thrust cut off. Second stage ignited. First stage separated. Interstage separated. Closed loop guidance initiated.
Current altitude is 81 kilometers. We are 169 seconds into the flight.
Second stage performance normal.
Known as the GL40HT, the second stage operates on UH-25 NN204. High thrust Vikas engine develops 846
Second stage performance
kilonewtons
normal.
thrust in vacuum. Burn time of GS2 for the present mission is 141 seconds.
इसमें हाइपरगोलिक ईंधन का इस्तेमाल होता है.
Payload fairing
Plus 4
separated.
minutes.
Trio stage is authorized.
जहाँ द्वितीय चरण का कार्यकाल अब समाप्त होने को है. तृतीय चरण जो कि क्रायो अपर स्टेज है उसे अनुमोदित कर दिया गया है. कुछ ही क्षणों में द्वितीय चरण
Second stage thrust cut off. Second stage separated. Trio stage ignition commanded.
Plus 5 minutes.
द्वितीय चरण को सफलतापूर्वक पृथक कर दिया गया है.
Trio stage ignition confirmed.
Here's a piece of good news. The third stage, the cryogenic upper stage, has commenced its operation.
इस दौरान आपको नाविक उपग्रह के बारे में जानकारी प्रदान करते हैं.
The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has established India's own independent regional navigation satellite system, NAVIC. NAVIC delivers precise position, velocity and timing services to users within India and extends about 1,500 kilometers beyond its land mass. A series of 5 second-generation NVS satellites will become a part of the NAVIC base layer constellation, ensuring seamless continuity of services. The L1 band signals equipped on these NVS satellites effectively broadened the range of services offered. NVS-01 marks the debut of the second generation of satellites and was successfully launched aboard GSLV F-12 on May 29, 2023. For the very first time, it featured an indigenous atomic clock. In a continuation of its predecessor NVS-02, the second satellite in the NVS series boasts navigation payloads across the L1, L5 and S bands alongside a ranging payload operating in the C band. NVS-02 is built on the standard I-2K bus platform and has a lift-off mass of 2,250 kilograms and a power handling capacity of about 3 kilowatts. It seamlessly integrates a mix of homegrown and sourced atomic clocks to make sure it can accurately maintain time. NVS-02 is set to take its place at 111.75 degrees east in an inclined geosynchronous orbit with a mission lifespan anticipated to last around 12 years. The payloads from the NVS-02 satellite will be utilized for terrestrial, aerial, and maritime navigation. It will also be used for location-based services in mobile devices, precision agriculture, geodetic surveys, and many more. Through this launch, ISRO will once again demonstrate its capabilities in space technology to the global space community.
बंद कर दिया गया है तथा प्रमोशन की स्थितियां प्राप्त हो चुकी हैं
NVS-02 satellite separated.
और हर्ष का पल यहाँ पर सफलतापूर्वक NVS-2 उपग्रह को अंतरिक्ष में
NVS-02 mission accomplished.
ISRO is all set to launch its second generation navigation satellite NVS-02 using India's three-stage geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GSLV F-15 from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center SDSC Shar, Sriharikota. This launch will mark a remarkable milestone for ISRO, commemorating the 100th launch from the Spaceport of India SDSC Shar. The origin of the spindle-shaped island SDSC Shar can be traced back to the 1960s when the legendary visionary Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai embarked upon the space research activities in the country. It is nestled in the serene backwaters of Pulicat Lake, flanked by the Buckingham Canal to the west and the Bay of Bengal to the east. On October 9, 1971, the launch of Rohini 125, a diminutive-sounding rocket, marked the commencement of operations. Since then, ISRO has rigorously upgraded the facilities at SDSC Shar to meet the growing demands. SDSC Shar delivers top-tier launch base infrastructure for national and international needs, empowering them to execute wide-range satellite missions with precision. These missions span remote sensing, communication, navigation, and scientific missions. It is unequivocally recognized as one of the premier spaceports in the world. This facility has successfully launched the nation's prestigious missions such as Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, PSLV C-37 mission with 104 satellites in one go, Navik Constellation and Aditya L1. Furthermore, India's highly anticipated human space mission Gaganyaan will be launched from this incredible spaceport. Recently, the Government of India has also approved to set up the third launch pad at SDSC Shar to launch the next generation launch vehicles. These developments are crucial for ISRO's ambitious missions such as the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, Chandrayaan-4, the Venus Orbiter mission and others.